Greetings from the luxurious journey of the future. Bentley is reinventing the idea of the motorhome, so forget about the constraints of luxury on land. Presenting the 2026 Bentley Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends unparalleled mobility, unparalleled elegance, and unparalleled performance. In addition to its recognizable matrix grille and crystal LED headlights, Bentley's distinctive front fascia adds to its individuality. Its large multi-spoke alloy wheels and flowing aerodynamic body lines highlight its formidable appearance despite its little size. The powertrain of this RV is almost as impressive as the way it looks. Its cutting-edge 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine generates more than 600 horsepower, guaranteeing a strong, quiet, and cozy ride that makes you feel as though you are soaring over the skies. The cockpit, which doubles as an opulent control center, and the driver's cabin, greets you. The dashboard is adorned with high-gloss carbon fiber or book-matched veneer wood and wrapped in plush, quilted Bentley leather. All of the information is beautifully shown on a big curved OLED infotainment screen that is completely integrated with Level 3 autonomous driving assistance technologies, augmented reality navigation, and user-friendly voice control. A heated and cooled leather steering wheel makes every journey completely enjoyable, and haptic touch and actual metal buttons offer gratifying physical input. But the major part is really beautiful. Optimizing comfort is the aim of a large, light-filled living space. With features like heating, cooling, and massaging, hand-stitched Mulliner leather couches and chairs in the recognizable diamond pattern provide the utmost in luxury. When the camper is parked, electrically movable wall panels provide a more private lounge area and increase the living area. An unparalleled entertainment experience is produced via a retractable 8K OLED TV screen from the ceiling, a Naim for Bentley audio system with concealed speakers, and changeable multicolored LED ambient lighting. The bedroom in the back is a secluded retreat. When traveling long distances, a king-size mattress with memory foam on top ensures a good night's sleep. Plenty of storage space is provided with built-in wardrobes with lockable drawers and automated lighting. A separate climate control system guarantees the ideal sleeping temperature, and large panoramic windows with motorized shutters provide breathtaking views. The restroom functions as a temporary spa. It has a ceramic vacuum toilet with bidet, a high-pressure rain shower, and a sophisticated sink with chrome or gold-plated taps. Fine marble or opulent composite materials are used for the finish. The maximum level of comfort is offered with a quiet air ventilation system, integrated illumination, and an anti-fog mirror. Finally, the kitchen is an example of utilitarian art. Built-in microwaves, convection ovens, induction cooktops, side-by-side freezers with ice makers, and concealed dishwashers are all products of high-end manufacturers like Gaggenau or Sub-Zero. Countertops are composed of scratch-resistant materials like quartz or granite. Custom cabinets with soft-closed drawers and effective under-cabinet lighting may satisfy all of your culinary needs, even in the spacious outside area. 2026 Bentley Motorhome. It is a statement of unrestrained luxury and freedom rather than merely a car. Savor each trip in the unparalleled quality that only Bentley can provide.